In this video, I want to talk to you about 5 creative ways to generate new revenue streams for your business. Before we get started, make sure you hit the bell and you subscribe to our channel so you get notified when new episodes become available here every week. Welcome to Powerhouse Business on YouTube. I'm your host, Carolin Soldo. I'm a business owner, business scaling master, and mom of 2 boys. I love thinking big, pushing boundaries, and doing things differently. Most of all, I'm all about achieving massive growth with ease and helping you scale your business by living the life you love. Let's go! How do we create new revenue in our business? What are some creative new ways and new revenue streams that we can tap into? This is a question I get asked almost every single week by existing and new clients. And my answer is, let's think outside the box. Let's come up with creative ways for new revenue streams so we get to grow our business without actually working a whole lot more. Over the last couple of years, I have built not just one but several companies to very high levels in income, and it's not always about working more. It is very often about creating new ways to generate revenue from existing assets, from existing clients, and really thinking outside the box to generate more income and create more value for the people we want to serve. And by doing so, creating more income for your business as well. So today I want to give you 5 creative new revenue streams for your business that I think you should explore. Idea number 1 is to serve your clients at a whole new level. Over time, as your business grows, you grow as well. And with this natural evolution, your purpose might change and shift, and the impact you can have on the world and your clients will shift and expand as well. So think about ways that you can serve your existing market in a whole new way, in a greater way, or a completely different way. Let me give you an example. In my career over the years, I've gone from serving people in the beginning stages of business all the way up to people who are already earning millions of dollars every year. And I was able to do so by constantly asking myself, what else can I do for them? How can I support my clients even more? What other services can I offer them? What new programs can I create? And I used my own experience and skills and growth to develop these new services. So over the years, I was able to create next level masterminds, retreats, and bigger events from my own growth and my own confidence and skills that I was gaining. And with that, I was able to serve my clients at greater and greater levels. So take some time today and sit down and really think about your next level purpose, the bigger impact you can create, and the creative ways in which you can serve your clients more. Revenue stream number 2 is to go evergreen. Going evergreen can work for many different business models, but it's especially great for coaches and consultants. If you are someone who has been offering their services once a year, or maybe you're launching them several times a year, maybe you're launching them in groups or cohorts, think about the changes you could implement to offer your programs year-round. Going evergreen means that you're actually offering your services all the time. You're never closing them, you're never opening the doors, you're never launching anything except the first time you offer the program, of course. And instead, you have your program available year-round for ongoing rolling enrollment. And what that does, it moves you from having these spikes of income where you have maybe 1 launch a year or several launches a year, to now having ongoing consistent income in your business that allows you to grow and scale. Going evergreen in my programs was the number 1 key, hands down, that helped me grow my company by leaps and bounds. So instead of earning money only once a year, I was able to generate income every single month. Going evergreen requires you to make some logistical shifts in your programs and services and how you offer them, as well as some changes in marketing and lead generation, but once you implement them, the impact will be tremendous. Revenue stream number 3 is to offer a whole new service. A really valuable exercise that I really think you should go through is to look at why your customers are actually buying from you. Everybody has certain values and needs. Your customers have challenges and pain points they're moving away from, and goals they're moving towards. And when you take some time and sit down and really think about why your customers are working with you and what needs and values you fulfill for them, you might be able to come up with new ways in which you can serve those values and needs even more. I'll give you an example. About a year ago, Boris and I looked at our manufacturing company. And we asked ourselves, why do customers actually buy from us? And what we discovered was that we give them peace of mind, we give them security, they feel that we are going to be on time, we will deliver high quality, they can rely on us. So reliability and safety are values that we're really, really big on. And then we asked ourselves, how can we give our customers even more reliability? How can we make them feel even more safe when they work with us? And the idea came to us like that, a software that would track the manufacturing process, that would streamline the process, that would avoid errors, that would speed it up, that would save our customers time and money, but give them even more trust in our ability to produce high quality products for them. Revenue stream number 4 is to go 100% online. Now, your business might already be an online business and maybe that's all you do, but if there are certain parts of your company that are event-based, that are really local, that depend on offline activities and marketing or delivery or how you execute your services, you might want to think about bringing them all online. And bringing them online doesn't mean that you actually stop offering your offline services, but it might be an additional revenue stream, an additional revenue source for you. So think in terms of the marketing you do that can be brought online, as well as your programs and services that can be brought online. And maybe it's your entire service, but maybe it's only part of your service that can be enhanced and extended online. Bringing parts or your entire business online will not only create additional revenue for you, it will also diversify your company and with that stabilize it and make it stronger for the future. Revenue stream number 5 is extending customer value. What does it mean to extend customer value? Well, it means that you actually earn more, you generate more revenue from existing customers, so the customers you already have. One of the biggest problems that we business owners face is the need for new clients, always generating new clients and new customers for our business to make more money or to keep maintaining our income levels. But what if you were able to make more money from existing clients and at the same time serve them even more? That's what I mean by extending customer value. And you can extend customer value in several different ways. For example, you could upsell clients, meaning you can offer them additional services that get them more results. You could also downsell clients, offer them something of lower value that will supplement what they're already doing with you. Or if someone is not ready for your main service, they can down buy or downsell, right? You can downsell them into a lower end offering. You can also cross-sell your customers by giving them an additional complimentary service that again makes the experience even better. One other way you can extend customer value is by actually extending them. So if you have a program or service that has a start and an end, right? You start working with a client and then they end with you. Think about ways by which you can make them stay longer. Maybe you can offer an extension program to maintain their results or to enhance their results or to prevent them from going back into their old ways, going back to old bad habits, or no matter what it is. Extending customers helps protect their results, maintain their results, and prolong their satisfaction in the results they got from working with you. Let's have a conversation about creating new revenue streams for your business. Down below in the comments, let me know how you are planning to create new revenue streams, extend customer value, and make your customers even more satisfied when they work with you. I love reading your comments, and maybe I'll pick you out and give you a shout out in one of our upcoming episodes as well. Now stay focused on your goals, because I believe that you are meant to bring your passions to the world, and creating new revenue streams will help you do just that. If you liked the episode, give me a like, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and then come back again next week. Thanks for watching and take care. Do you often feel stressed and overwhelmed from growing your business? Do you crave more ease and happiness from your success? What if I gave you a tool that has the power to instantly make you feel focused, peaceful, and at ease, all while growing your business faster than ever before? I've created the Business Growth Scorecard that has helped countless businesswomen replace overwhelm with confidence, and now the scorecard is available online. It's free, takes less than 10 minutes, and provides you with a customized growth plan, including your personal scores. Go to businessgrowthscorecard.com to take the test right now. I look forward to helping you grow your business with ease and excellence.